Good day to you all. My name is Rekia Hassan Bako. I'm a staff from Diabetic Herbal Medical Center. This is a center, like I always say, this is a center that gives medicines for different types of diseases. And our medicines are being manufactured from 100% organic herbs. And these medicines have been tested by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, to be used around the world. And NAFDAC has given Diabetic Herbal Medical Center approval and license for its medicines to be sold worldwide. And one thing I'm going to talk about is that these are medicines here at Diabetic Herbal Medical Center are very, very effective, affordable, and also do not have side effects. Well, like always, I tend to talk about a disease, its causes, symptoms, preventive measures, and so on. Well, today I'm going to talk about a disease which is called uterine fibroid. What is this uterine fibroid? Well, uterine fibroid are non-cancerous growth of the uterus that often appears during childbearing years. It is an abnormal growth that develops in or on the uterus. Also, sometimes these tumors becomes quite large and causes like severe abdominal pain and heavy period. What are the causes of this uterine fibroid? Well, there is early onset of puberty. There is family history of fibroid. Maybe in your family, most of the women are battling with fibroid. Also, there is even obesity causes it. There is drinking of alcohol when you are an alcoholic, or let's say you take too much of alcohol as a woman, it causes this uterine fibroid. Also, there is late age of for menopause. There's also maybe if you've never had a child, maybe you've never given birth, you are at the risk, or let's say it causes this uterine fibroid. Also, what are the symptoms of this uterine fibroid? What are those things you feel, you experience that put you at the risk or makes you think, or you have to be steadfast, like you have to like, okay, it might be this uterine fibroid. First of all, we have long-term like chronic vaginal discharge when you're battling with that. Also, there is menstrual cloth. There is also excessive or painful bleeding during your period, or maybe you have this frequent urination, you urinate almost like always, or there is bleeding between your period, or there is constipation. You're like constipated, but like constipation almost always. Also, if there is this inability, you can't pee, there is like you are not able to pee or completely empty your bladder. These are some of the symptoms of uterine fibroid. Also, the complications include like pain that becomes unmanageable. You won't be able to like manage this pain. There's also swelling of your abdomen or pelvic area. There's excessive bleeding. There is anemia. There is also infertility. But this part of the infertility can be kind of like it's rare. So these are the complications. What are the preventive measures? Well, you can't prevent it from happening, but reduce your risk by maintaining a healthy body weight. Like I always say, most of the sickness I talk about, it comes if you have like a healthy lifestyle, you will be able to prevent some of these illnesses from happening. You go for exercise, like physical activities. You eat balanced diet, like your diet is kind of like controlled and it's very, very okay. Also, you kind of like tend to control your weight. We are not saying that you should be slim, but at least even if you're like plumpy, you just have to like know how to maintain what you eat. Well, I'm going to stop here, but for more information, you can, as always, contact us on the following number: 070-300-99277 or 080-6367-6662. You can as well come to our head office, which is at number C21 Sophia House, along Zaria Road, and we are opposite Garden Dengi and beside this supermarket called the Fatu Store. Thank you all for listening. Till we meet next time.